Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make advent calendar. Christmas is just around the corner and I thought I'll share this video just in time for you to make advent calendars for your loved ones. So this was a gift box which was left over from Diwali and I'm going to turn it into advent calendar. My plan is to use the inner packaging to have 24 slots and then have a triangle at the top and the front cover. I had these disposable paper cups at home and I'm just trying to set them in the box to see if 24 will fit and if I can use a bigger size. I think the bigger size will fit. So here's the plan. The inner packaging will house 24 slots and the outer packaging will be used to make door and the triangular part at the top. So let's get started. We'll start with the door. For the front door, I'm going to cut one face of the outer packaging, the front one, and I'm going to leave one flap attached to it. For those of you who don't know, an advent calendar is a picture or object featuring windows, drawers or pockets or removable pieces. The movable parts are marked with the numbers 1 to 24 representing the days in December before Christmas. Our door is almost done and now we'll move on to the triangular top part. For this, I'm taking the back side of the outer packaging and I'm making a cut in the triangular form. I'm cutting the edges from the remaining paper which will be used as partitions for the inner packaging. The remainder will be folded and pasted behind the triangle to give it a 3D effect. Actually, I saw advent calendar in a movie recently and I thought of making it. This is the first time I'm making it and I tend to use it every year. Do let me know in the comment section below if you knew about an advent calendar or you're already using one or you already bought one. What is the story behind it? I would love to know. So here I've folded the paper in a way that it can give raised effect to the triangular top. I'm going to paste it behind the triangle we cut in the first step and we are done. Next, we are going to make some strips for the inner partitions. These are all the side flaps we cut initially. We are going to use them and create slots. The next step will be installing the partitions. To add these partitions to the box, I am going to make a slit in the existing packaging and then using the glue, I am going to stick them. Here's how it looks. The next step is assembling door, top and the inner packaging. I'm going to glue them all together. So the top part looked like a cap to me, so I decided to decorate the calendar as Santa. So I'm going to stick glaze paper on the top part to hide the print and make it look like the cap. On the side flap, I'm also going to add a frill. I'll add a button to close the door of the calendar and we'll add some eyes and beard to hide the rhombus on the top. Using a needle and thread, I'm attaching a rubber band to the front door to act as a loop for the button. The frill for the cap is also made from the leftover of same packaging. To make the eyes, I've cut the packaging in the circular shape and then using the black marker, I'm just going to make black circles on top of it. For beard, I've taken this tissue paper which came in some packaging and I'm folding it vertically and then I'm going to cut it vertically. Using glue, I'm going to stick these around the rhombus. And Santa is ready. Next, I'm painting some favorite fruits of my son because I don't want to keep too much candy for him. So I'm going to put pictures of these in the slots, and then when he opens them, he can have those. To make the goodie bags, I'm using disposable paper cups, and I'll make uniform slits vertically after cutting the rim. These slits will help us close the cup. After cutting slits, you fold all the slits downwards, and you can use this cup as the guide for cutting slits in all the other 23 cups. Now it's time to fill these goodie bags and close them. To close the cup, start by overlapping one flap over the other. All the adjacent flaps should overlap the one before it. The last flap should come under the first flap. After this, you simply press a thumb in the middle and it will pop and seal shut. There you have it. Goodie bag is ready. Let's look at it one more time. I'm going to cut the stickers I made and add them to the cups before closing them. Next, we'll number the cups. For this, I'm going to use the glitter stickers and I'm just going to paste them on the cups. Since there were limited numbers, I also used colored markers to draw numbers wherever needed. I also had only 19 cups with me, so for the remaining 5 numbers, I'm going to use a hack. For this, I'm cutting this box and I'm going to cover it with a sticky note to make it a door to the slot. I'll number them using the same glitter stickers. Then using glue, I'm going to stick these to one edge of the slot. Lastly, we'll add all the cups in the slots and we are done. This is how the final calendar looks. Please let me know in the comment box if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and take care. Bye.